In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide read receipts on WhatsApp. Let's say in a group chat the second check mark appears when everyone has received your message. Then two blue check marks appear when everyone has read your message. Read receipts reset when you edit a message so you can see who viewed your updates. To turn off message receipts, simply head into your WhatsApp. On your settings page, you will then tap on the option of privacy. In the privacy section, scroll down onto the option of read receipts. Make sure to disable this option off. When turned off, you won't be able to see other people's messages receipts too. That's how easy it is to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.